The use of Dogecoin has evolved beyond a fun meme on social media. It's now being accepted by some online stores for payment, and Dogecoin investment is forming part of diversified cryptocurrency portfolios. Doge now has a market cap of over $23 billion according to digitalcoinprice.com, ahead of altcoins like Uniswap, Aave, EOS, and Monero. Today on CryptoLine, we'll be discussing how Elon Musk has hinted that Doge could go to $30 at least. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a completely free Discord group where we share daily signals with a community of like-minded traders and investors. You'll find a link for that in the video description. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular needs, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members. Only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and pinned comment. The prices of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been falling over the past couple of weeks after a late June resurgence dwindled off. However, on Thursday, July 1st, Dogecoin suddenly shot higher, jumping after Musk once again tweeted in support of Doge. After Musk posted "Release the Doge" on Twitter alongside a meme depicting Marlon Brando as the Godfather, the price of Dogecoin jumped by 4%. Musk had previously accepted the title of the Dogefather, something bestowed on him by the Dogecoin community. Musk, who was voted Dogecoin CEO in a 2019 Twitter poll, has helped Dogecoin this year, pushing it into the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market value with a market capitalization of over $23 billion. Sometime in June, Musk caused the price of Dogecoin to shoot up when he said it was important to support a Dogecoin upgrade proposal in order to significantly reduce Dogecoin transaction fees, something Musk has previously said he wants to do in order to make Dogecoin the currency of the earth. Dogecoin's price is, however, down by more than 70% since its peak in early May, which was set just ahead of Musk's much-hyped appearance on the comedy sketch show Saturday Night Live. While Dogecoin has attracted criticism for its lack of development and high token concentration among a small group of accounts, its over 10,000% price rally over the last 12 months has helped reignite interest in the stagnating cryptocurrency. Sam Bankman-Fried, the billionaire chief executive of crypto exchange FTX, named Dogecoin as the asset of the year for 2020 and 2021. And Ethereum co-founder, who went on to create rival blockchain Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, said he hopes Musk's support will help some real developers come in and start working on Dogecoin to create some use and utility. The question of what Dogecoin will be worth in 10 years is one that is very common among Dogecoin supporters and investors. Based on most price forecasts, Dogecoin will be worth between $5 and $30 in the next 10 years. For instance, according to Coin Price Forecast, Doge will trade at $19 by the end of 2030 and $24.4 by December 2031. Dogecoin, which is now ranked the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has recently grown parabolically and is expected to close the year at $1. Now, investors who are looking to bet their money on the meme coin are wondering how much it'll be in 10 years. Dogecoin's nature as a highly volatile asset makes it hard to predict its price in the long term. The current price swings are testimony to Doge's unpredictability. For a cryptocurrency that feeds mostly on hype and speculation, such volatility is neither surprising nor avoidable. However, most price analysts agree that the altcoin will have significant growth over the course of the coming decade. Dogecoin is currently trading at around 18 cents, according to data from CoinDesk. This is more than a 6% drop compared to the last 24 hours. The coin's been bouncing between 10 and 20 cents over the past month and has trouble beating its current all-time high of 74 cents. However, despite the recent downtrends and consolidations, most experts believe that Dogecoin has a remarkably bright future. Specifically, the coin is expected to have a major growth between 2022 and 2030, with the price and market cap possibly tripling. So within a decade, you can expect Dogecoin to be much more valuable than it is now. Having gone through several predictions, there are noticeable big differences between several price analysts. A few have updated their predictions to keep up with Dogecoin's current growth. For instance, Coin Price Forecast initially predicted that Dogecoin would be worth less than $1 by 2030. The site has since updated its prediction to as high as $20 by 2031. Although there are several other predictions as to what Dogecoin will be worth by 2030 and 2031, most of these predictions are not updated and won't give a clear picture. For instance, some sites are still predicting lower than 10 cents by 2030. These predictions were probably made in December 2020, when Dogecoin was still awfully low. Since we don't have enough price forecasts to work with, let's look at some of the factors that will drive Dogecoin's price in the next 10 years. Dogecoin, like any other cryptocurrency, has some specific factors that drive its price over the course of time. Since Dogecoin is not as visionary as other coins, there are only a few of these factors, and almost all of them are extrinsic. Topping the list is the fear of missing out. The fear of missing out among investors has been largely responsible for Dogecoin's recent price surge. This is a situation where investors put their money in an asset because they fear that they might miss out on an investment opportunity that could lead to enormous gains in the future. While FOMO applies to other markets, it's more effective with cryptocurrencies, especially a rapidly growing one like Dogecoin. According to the World Crypto Index, FOMO is incredibly relevant in the crypto market and has been behind some of the biggest price leaps in cryptocurrency history. So if Dogecoin keeps growing, more people will be eager to join, and this will potentially help the crypto grow more. In 10 years, FOMO alone might triple the price of Doge. However, for FOMO to be effective, some other factors must come into play. Celebrity endorsement is one of the biggest igniters of FOMO. It's particularly interesting for Dogecoin, which has recently enjoyed some high-profile endorsements, the most prominent of them being Elon Musk. Elon Musk has been so much into Dogecoin that the coin has to be mentioned in every news article he features. This kind of celebrity support has helped Dogecoin record a plausible growth trajectory over the past months. The Motley Fool recently revealed that Elon Musk has been closely working with Dogecoin developers since 2019. If Elon Musk and other Dogecoin celebrities like Mark Cuban and Snoop Dogg keep up their support for Doge, it might grow significantly over the next decade. Although Dogecoin was created as a lighthearted and satirical alternative to Bitcoin, its recent growth is forcing the founders to reconsider their strategy. Already, there are plans in the pipeline to introduce radical upgrades to the network, which should make it more alluring as an investable asset. And the person behind these upgrades is none other than Elon Musk. The Tesla billionaire recently tweeted that he was working with Dogecoin developers to improve transaction efficiency. Forbes also reported that Musk might have intentionally crashed Bitcoin to make it easier for Dogecoin to beat it hands down. If these upgrades make Dogecoin more efficient than Bitcoin, more mainstream investors will take it seriously and eventually boost its value in the next 10 years. Dogecoin has a more aggressive social media community than any other cryptocurrency. The community is currently trying to push the coin to $1 by the end of the year, and if they succeed, they could send the coin to over $135 billion market capitalization. However, as is the case with social media memes, the interest may fizzle out in the long term. If this community begins to see their Dogecoin as a valuable investment asset, they could drum up their support for the next 10 years, and the coin could be highly valuable by then. There is a good probability that Dogecoin will reach $1 to $10 per coin. However, Doge might never get to $100 per coin. This is because Dogecoin is inflationary, which means it doesn't have a coin cap. About 5 billion coins are added to the network each year, and by, say, 2030, there will be 180 billion Dogecoin in circulation. So while the market cap will keep rising, the price of Dogecoin might not reach $100. This is because if Dogecoin were to reach $100 by 2030, its market cap would be more than $18 trillion. That is almost equal to the US GDP and more than China's GDP, which of course would be absurd. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Be sure to check out our free Discord group, and of course, if you can, support us on Patreon. Links for that are in the video description and the pinned comment. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know, and as always, good luck and happy investing.
That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.